Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Stanley 24/7 padlock. Here's the key for it. Pretty good bitting, nothing crazy. Lock works. Launch a shim across the room. Alright, we'll go 50 thousandths top of the keyway. I haven't picked this yet, I just took them out of the pack and threw it in the vise. So I don't know what to expect yet. I do know these have some kind of counter milling or over milling on the core. I seen Murloc 68 pick one of these, and I decided to pick one up. Well, actually two. I grabbed the 2-pack. I overset something already. I got a little bit of core movement. I think that was pin 2. 3. Trying to get under pin 4. And go all the way in. Something a little thinner shank. There's 2. Got a good click there. Got some more core movement. Got a good click there. I think that was pin 4. Got a click on 5. So we can get back here to 6. 6 doesn't want to talk yet. Alright, got a little bit more core movement. And there we go. Alright. Alright, I believe I have to use an Allen wrench to gut this. I don't know if that's the right size. It's not. This is probably too big. Yep. Let's see. Too big. Alright, something's got to work here. That's too small. Too big. Let's see. Might have something in this little screwdriver kit that'll fit. I can't see anything. There we go. Jesus. There we go. Alright, we'll put that there. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's a good thing I got two. That way if I brick one, I can drop the camera. There we go. Stay. There's no screw hole there. It's gotta be. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to figure out how to gut this thing. Probably should have paid more attention when somebody else picked it. And I'll tell you what, I will stop the video here and go back and edit this to the gut. Alright. Alright guys, and we're back. Let's see, we got the core out. Let's get this little pin here. Probably could have just cut to the showing you guys the pins, but that's what fast forward's for. Alright, put the key back in. Let's grab us a follower. And we'll grab a shim just to be on the safe side. I don't think we should need one, but let's just be on the safe side. Alright. Four, 5, 6, and you can see those overcuts on the core there. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna find my tweezers. We'll just use these ones. Ah, there's the other ones. Okay. Alright, standard in 1. Big standard in 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7 or 6 just went somewhere. There it is. Alright. Nothing in the core except springs. That goes over there with the lock body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that goes there. Alright. So if you got 6 standard pins, and like I said, with this over milling, you kind of have to pick them up to that. You'll feel them set against it, and then give them a little nudge up. So it is a kind of a fun pick, something different. Again, thanks to Padlock for putting me on these, and this was a pretty fun little pick. Alright, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.